It's no secret that the COVID-19 pandemic has had a negative impact on the administration of justice in the Bahamas. Chief Justice Sir Brian Murray QC revealing today that the backlog of cases has resulted in delays of up to 18 months. However, the CJ is expressing hope that the recent appointment of new justices will help to alleviate the congestion. His comments came as 3 of the 5 new Supreme Court justices took the oath of allegiance and judicial oath this morning.
There has been a backlog of cases, and that of course was compounded by the public emergency. And so we now have a larger backlog that we have to deal with, in addition to all of the new cases.
The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a significant backlog with criminal jury trials, adding to the already lengthy list of stalled cases. During his address at the opening of the legal year, Sir Brian said the judiciary was working its way through those cases that have been disrupted since March 2020 through the implementation of a backlog reduction strategy. Just days after the Bahamas recorded its first case of COVID-19 last year, the CJ announced that the global COVID-19 crisis had prompted sweeping changes for the Bahamas judiciary. Among the changes was the suspension of new jury trials in the Supreme Court. Jury trials resumed in January. When asked how bad the backlog has gotten, the Chief Justice said this.
It's not generic. You have to look at it in different divisions. On the criminal side, the backlog is probably somewhere between 12 and 18 months. Now, exceptionally, there may be some cases which run a little longer than that waiting for trial, but we hope to address that with these new appointments. On the civil side and the commercial side and the family side, the backlog is running somewhere between 9 and 18 months.
Maury made the comments after 3 new Supreme Court justices took their oaths on Monday morning. They included Justices Juanita Denise Lewis-Johnson, Janine WEECH-GOMEZ, and Andrew Forbes. The CJ says Forbes will hear criminal cases in Grand Bahama and WEECH-GOMEZ will hear criminal cases in New Providence, while Lewis-Johnson will hear family and civil division cases.
Given that there hasn't been any trials taking place for at least the last 6 months, that I'll be able to hit the ground running because I've done it before, and a little energetic. I'm hopeful that I'll be able to bring some of those matters that have been languishing for the last 6 months up to date.
That I'm going on the criminal bench, certainly initially, and I look forward to that. I trust that I could make a dent and assist in the backlog that we've had prior to COVID and then with COVID. So I look forward to the challenge.
I intend to serve with honor and integrity and to do my country proud, do the citizens of the country and all persons who appear before me with justice and fairness.
Reporting for Guardian News Network, I'm Jasmine Brown.